Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and I recently unboxed this Redmi power bank, but there's one technique that I wanted to tell you from which you can charge your devices that require lower power, such as your Mi Bands and other smartwatches. So in order to toggle low speed charging or slow speed charging, all you have to do is you have to double tap this power button, and it will indicate like this that it has entered slow speed charging. And if you want to toggle back to high speed charging, just press it once. So pressing once this button, it enables the high speed charging mode, and if you press it twice, then you can safely enter the low speed charging mode, and you can safely charge your devices that require lower current, such as your Mi Bands. So guys, that's it.